equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing your car battery can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's a straightforward task. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, gather your tools. You will need a socket wrench set, a battery terminal cleaner, safety gloves, and a pair of safety goggles. Ensure you have a new battery that is compatible with your vehicle model. If you're unsure, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right battery. Begin by turning off your vehicle and removing the keys from the ignition. Safety is paramount, so make sure you're wearing your gloves and goggles. Open the bonnet and locate the battery. It's usually situated at the front of the engine bay. Next, identify the positive and negative terminals. The positive terminal is typically marked with a plus sign, plus symbol, and is often red, while the negative terminal is marked with a minus sign, minus symbol, and is usually black. Using your socket wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts. Once loose, carefully remove the cable and set it aside. Now, repeat the process for the positive terminal. Loosen the nut, remove the cable, and ensure it doesn't touch any metal parts of the car. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle altogether. With both terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery. Most batteries are secured with a bracket or clamp. Use your socket wrench to remove any screws or bolts holding the battery in place. Once free, carefully lift the battery out of the tray. Be cautious, as car batteries can be heavy. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals. Use a battery terminal cleaner to remove any corrosion or dirt. This ensures a good connection and prolongs the life of your new battery. Now, place the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Reattach the bracket or clamp to hold it in place. Next, connect the positive terminal first. Slide the cable onto the terminal and tighten the nut securely. Then, connect the negative terminal in the same manner. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can always reach out to us for assistance if needed. Once both terminals are connected, double-check that everything is secure. Close the bonnet and start your vehicle. It should start smoothly if everything is connected properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your car battery. With the right tools and a bit of patience, this task can be completed in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.